Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Focus dual clutch. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on sturdy jack stands. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal for safety. Next, remove the air filter housing and drain the transmission fluid. You will also need to remove the starter motor and both drive shafts to access the transmission. With the initial components out of the way, it's time to remove the transmission. Use a transmission jack to support its weight, then unbolt it from the engine block. Carefully lower the entire transmission assembly from the vehicle. Once removed, you can clearly see the old dual clutch. Take a moment to inspect it for any signs of excessive wear or damage. Now for the new clutch installation. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the transmission bell housing to remove any debris. Carefully install the new dual clutch assembly onto the transmission's input shaft. It's crucial to ensure all components are correctly aligned. A specialized clutch alignment tool is highly recommended to achieve perfect centering, preventing future issues. With the new clutch in place, carefully raise and secure the transmission back onto the engine block, tightening all bolts to specification. Reconnect the drive shafts, starter motor, and air filter housing. Refill the transmission with approximately 1 3/4 liters of the specified dual clutch fluid. Finally, perform a diagnostic scan and a thorough road test to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.